You've used Excel, but have you played Excel? The Microsoft Excel Collegiate Challenge is Excel Esports built just for students. It's fast, it's creative, and it's completely free. You'll take on real-world spreadsheet challenges under time pressure, built to test your speed, logic, and problem solving. There are different case types: speed cases where shortcuts matter and your keyboarding skills will be put to the test; data cases that push your analytical mind, working with big data sets, missing info, and extracting insights fast; visual challenges bring in maps, dashboards, and complex layouts to challenge your logic and spatial skills. You'll train with guided walkthroughs, earn badges to boost your resume, and play online from anywhere. And the best part? Top students qualify for in-person finals with scholarships, prizes, and global recognition on the line. It's not just fun, it's a serious edge. Many of our top players have secured internships or jobs with MECC sponsors. Companies looking for exactly these skills. So whether you're here to learn, compete, or stand out, this is your space. This is MECC. This is Excel Esports.